Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you.
Excuse me. Excuse me for my little nymph-like sneezes.
Your nymph-like sneezes.
Right, my
He's a beautiful fairy.
That's just how I sneeze. I'm like, achoo. I sneeze like a fucking omega.
That is a sentence to come back to. Holy shit. I have no context or anything else, but hell yeah.
I sneeze like an omega. Also, chat, thank you for the blessings.
Bless you. Oh, I missed the sneeze. Fuck.
These fairy-like sneezes.
Yeah.